Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine and you have completed your previous work. And you also have learnt spelling rules. Do you know how many spelling rules we have done? Yes, we have done 3 spelling rules. And what do you think if I'll take your test today? So quickly what you have to do, put out your rough copy. I'm going to take your small test. Okay, you can pause the video if you want to get your rough copy or pencil. Okay, so let's start the test. Okay, so I'll ask you 3 words and you have to guess the rule number. 3 words मैं आप लोगों को दूंगी और आप लोगों ने उनमें guess करना है, rule number guess करना है. Should we start? Okay, so first word is logic. Second word is agency. And third word is quack. So this is done. That's all. This is done. If you have done, so now what you have to do, put out your Iqra joint handwriting series and check it from here. Either you have done correct or wrong. अगर तो सब ने करेक्ट किया है तो दैट्स वेरी नाइस. इसका मतलब सबकी लर्निंग बहुत ज़बरदस्त है. और अगर कोई मिस्टेक हो गई है तो उससे जल्दी से अभी निकालें और अभी क्विकली लर्न कर लें. इससे वीडियो को पॉज करें और उससे जल्दी से क्विकली लर्न कर लें, सो दैट नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी आप लोगों का टेस्ट हो तो आप लोगों के बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स आए. इज़ इट क्लियर? ओके, सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग अ नेक्स्ट लेसन, let me tell you that today I'm not going to take your quiz. Today I'm going to tell you something. So let's start today's lesson. Okay, as you can see on the board, there are 4 words on the board, and the words are trader, fever, locate, uniform. And what you have to do about these words, you have to tell me how many syllables does these words have. Okay, how many syllables do they have? So you have to tell me. Do you know what are syllables? Okay, do you know? So you don't know. Okay, let me tell you what is syllable. Syllable is a part of word having vowel sound. Okay, so we have to find out how many vowel sounds does they have, and after that we will find कि इनमें syllables कितने हैं. A word having vowel sound is called syllable. And it also depend upon the opening of a mouth. हमारा मुंह जितनी दफ़ा एक वर्ड में खुलता है उतने ही उसमें syllables होते हैं. As I've told you कि अगर किसी वर्ड में vowel sound होगी तो they will have syllable also. Let me tell you कि how many syllables do they have. Okay, if we'll say cat, how many vowel sound does it have? Yes, it has only one vowel sound. It has only one vowel sound. Its mean is that if a word having one vowel sound, its mean it is having only one syllable. And as I've told you कि opening of mouth पे भी ये depend करता है. आप लोग cat को pronounce करें and you will feel कि आपका जो mouth है वो एक ही दफ़ा खुलेगा. Cat. Clear? So it has only one syllable. Is that clear? Okay, now look at the next one. Table. Next one is table. It has only one syllable. Okay, so how many vowel sounds does table have? T and B. Yes, it has 2 vowel sounds. It has 2 vowel sounds. So it's mean as I told you. इसको प्रोनाउंस करके देखते हैं और आप लोगों ने जब प्रोनाउंस कर रहे होंगे तो यू हैव टू फील कि आपका जो माउथ है वो कितनी दफ़ा ओपन हो रहा होगा. जितनी दफ़ा आपका माउथ ओपन होगा उतनी दफ़ा उतने सिलेबल्स होंगे इस वर्ड में. टेबल. सो इसमें कितने हैं? 2 syllable. It has only 1 syllable and it has te and next one is b. 1 and 2. Clear? So it has 2 syllable. Now look at the next one. As I told you, it depends upon vowel sounds and opening of mouth. A word having vowel sound is called syllable. Okay, now look at the next one. Utensil. Okay, So we have to find out the vowel sound first. Okay. So it has three vowel sounds. Okay. Either U is not, it's not pronouncing as a vowel sound, but we'll take it a separate sound. Okay. U, ten, sil. So it's mean it has how many vowels? It has three vowels and it will take three syllable. U, ten, and sil. 1, 2, and 3. Is that clear? So a word having vowel sound is called syllable. Okay, a part of a word having a vowel sound in it, so that is called syllable. For example, cat has one syllable, table has two syllable, utensil, it has three syllable. Is that clear? So now let's move to our main topic. Okay, now let's find out ki how many syllables does these four words have. Okay, so first we will underline them. Tray, the, fee, were, locate, uniform. Okay, so it has two vowel sound. इट्स मीन इट हैज़, एंड व्हेन वी आर प्रोनाउंसिंग दिस वर्ड, तो जब हम बोलेंगे तो दो दफ़ा हमारा माउथ खुलेगा. ट्रेड, इट हैज़ टू सिलेबल, 1 and 2. Fever, two syllable. Locate. ओके, यू नो ना, मैजिक की कोई साउंड नहीं होती, इसलिए इसमें कितने सिलेबल होंगे? 2 syllable. Locate. Okay, you is one syllable, ni is another syllable, and form is an other syllable. It has 3 syllable. It has 2. Trader has 2. Fever has 2. Locate has 2, and uniform has 3 syllable. Is that clear? Okay, now let's move to our rule. Okay, let's pronounce them once again. Trader, fever, locate, uniform. Is that clear? जब हम इसको प्रोनाउंस करेंगे तो our topic will be clear, our rule will be clear. What does our rule says today? Rule number 4 is, it tells us that A, E, O, and U usually say their names at the end of a syllable. Is that clear? So what is this? So rule number 4 tells us that A, E, O, and U usually say their names at the end of a syllable. Let's see in the examples. Trader, first syllable देखें, syllable के end में ये है say their names at the end of syllable. First syllable is tray, tray. A sound is clearly सुनाई दे रही है ना, tray, d. So syllable के end में sound clearly सुनाई देती है. Usually say their name at the end of a syllable. Trader, A sound. Fever, E sound. Locate, O sound. Uniform, U sound. Is that clear? So let's read the rule once again. A, E, O, and U say their names at the end of a syllable. I have told you ना, इसके 2 syllables हैं, tray and d. जब tray को हम बोलेंगे तो tray के लास्ट में एक ही clear sound सुनाई दे रही है. Okay, in the same way fever, fee, E की clear sound सुनाई दे रही है. In the same way locate, O की clear sound हमें सुनाई दे रही है. When we'll pronounce them. In the same way uniform, U is clearly सुनाई दे रहा है. So this is our rule number 4. Is it clear? Okay, as you can see that we have done rule number 1, Q is always followed by U. Rule number 2, C before E, I or Y may say S. And rule number 3 was G before E, I or Y may say J. And today we have done rule number 4, which is A, E, O, and U usually say their names at the end of a syllable. Is that clear? Okay, now let's move towards copywriting. So see how we'll write. जैसे कि आप लोगों को लास्ट वीडियो में भी बताया था, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द वर्ड शुड बी अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंस्ट्रक्शन विच यू हैव लर्नड इन योर 6 एंड प्रेप 6. ट्रायंगल्स बननी चाहिए जिस जिस वर्ड में बनती हैं. स्लैंट प्रॉपरली करना है. यू शुड हैव टू टच द लाइन ऑल्सो. और साइज़ भी सबका सेम होना चाहिए. इज़ इट क्लियर? देखिए सब एक ही लाइन में आ रहे हैं, ना तो कोई ऊपर जा रहा है ना नीचे जा रहा है. ओके, एंड दिस इज नेशन. लेट मी राइट अनदर वर्ड फॉर यू. Begin. As you can see, there should be proper distance between all the alphabets. सब alphabets में proper distance होना चाहिए. And according to the जैसे आप लोगों को instructions दी गई हैं उसके मुताबिक लिखेंगे. Okay, let me write last word for you. Utensil. Utensil. Formation should be good. Write carefully and properly. Okay. अब आप लोगों को नीचे से भी नज़र आओगा बेटा, जहाँ जहाँ ट्रायंगल्स बननी चाहिए वहाँ ट्रायंगल्स बन रही है. प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस है हर अल्फ़ाबेट के अंदर. और यहाँ से भी देखें, अगर हम लाइन भी ड्रॉ करके देखना चाहें तो आप देख सकते हैं कि सब एक ही लाइन में, कोई आगे या पीछे नहीं आ रहा, सब उस लाइन के अंदर आ रहे हैं. इज़ दैट क्लियर? तो यू ऑल्सो हैव टू राइट अकॉर्डिंगली. इज़ दैट क्लियर? नाउ लेट मी टेल यू द मीनिंग्स फ्रॉम कॉपी. Okay, I have written a few words for you. You also have to write them neatly. Okay, let me tell you the meanings and read these words also for one time. Okay, first word is trader. Okay, a person who buys or sells things or goods, that is called trader. जो चीज़ें बेचता और ख़रीदता है और फिर उसके थ्रू बिजनेस करता है तो that is called trader, जिसे ताजिर भी कहते हैं. Okay, next one is fever. Temperature. When we are having temperature, so that is called fever. Is that clear? Okay, now look, the next one is locate. And locate, discover the exact place or position. When we have to find out the exact place or position, तो उसके लिए क्या word use करते हैं? locate यूज़ करते हैं. ये लोकेशन आप लोगों ने मोबाइल में भी ये आइकन देखा होगा. लोकेशन के लिए ये वाला यूज़ होता है. इज़ दैट क्लियर? मैप के ऊपर भी आप लोगों को नज़र आएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज़ यूनिफॉर्म. एंड यूनिफॉर्म इज़ एन आइडेंटिफाइंग आउटफिट और ड्रेस. जैसा कि हम लोग स्कूल में भी पहनते हैं, जिससे आइडेंटिफिकेशन हो जाती है कि ये किस स्कूल के बच्चे हैं. तो दैट इज़ worn by a specific people, so that is called uniform. Okay जी, next one is nation. A large body of people associated with particular territory. यानी कि बहुत से लोग जब एक टेरिटरी में रहते हैं, एक इलाके में रहते हैं, एक जगह पे रहते हैं, तो they are called nation. Next one is beyond. On, at or to. There and farther side of. Next one is beyond those trees you will find their house. You can use it like this. And next one is begin, जो start होता है, to start something. And utensils pots के लिए यूज़ होता है या vessels के लिए यूज़ होता है जो हम लोग किचन में यूज़ करते हैं. Is that clear? So that's all about our today's work. आप लोग प्रॉपरली और अच्छे तरीके से अपना वर्क कीजिएगा. अपना ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.